Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace rear vents guys, air vents on BMW 5 Series guys, F10 generation. So that should cover years from 2010 to year 2017 guys. Quick introduction. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos guys, free repair videos. And specifically on BMW 5 Series, we'll probably have close to 300-400 videos guys. We'll be taking it completely apart and we'll show you how to fix pretty much anything mechanically, interior, exterior, pretty much anything guys. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. We do all that so we can save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, subscribe so we can keep providing these free videos to you guys. So let me show you what we'll be doing here guys and what we'll need for the replacement. We'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can buy it. They come in different colors guys. Ours is black. And different options, the one with heated seats, not heated seats, ours is the regular one, so not very expensive at all guys, and those, they do break easily. We just purchased that BMW and it's broken, so I'll go inside and I'll show you guys, okay, what we have here. So let me get here. If you guys cannot find one color, usually you can get a color BMW paint. We'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can paint it and match your color as well. So now guys, okay, let me get position here. You need to open your armrest cover here guys. This is the rear vents. You can see how they're broken, and that's what we have right here now. Okay, this is the replacement one. As you can see guys, there will have a few clips, okay, that we need to remove, and once we pop everything loose, everything should come out. So let's go ahead and see if we can do that. So we're going to hold the camera, okay, just like that here. I'm going to come, okay, with one tin panel removal tool. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Come, okay, between the two pieces, open it like that. Then I'll get a heavier duty piece, okay, and try to press that piece out. Okay. It usually should pop out guys. This one is a little bit stuck. Okay, it should be a little bit easier coming out. Okay, it came loose on one end, on the other end now. On top, okay, we'll have a few more clips. Okay, let me show you. Now it just attaches guys, so nothing, okay, nothing specific. It just needs to go back. And on this side too. Ours is broken. You can see here it's broken. So we don't care about that stuff. Okay, the new one actually even comes with the new rubber seal and everything. So now it's very important guys, okay, check it out now. These two teeth here that actually move the vents left and right, okay, you need to align these guys, okay, with what you have right here with the middle one. So that will take you a little bit of time, okay, to align everything, make sure everything's good. That way it can go back in there guys, otherwise you may not be able to install them correctly. So that's what we'll be doing now. So now guys, what I did, okay, I grabbed on the bottom here and I pulled the whole piece out. Now the only thing that I have to disconnect is the cigarette lighter, okay, right here. Disconnect the cigarette lighter, and now we can actually go ahead, we can remove the vents, okay, we can remove the vents and install them one by one, because otherwise it will be impossible. So we'll go ahead, get a screwdriver that fits here guys. Okay, this is a Torx 20 star looking screwdriver guys. We'll get that and we'll install them and we'll continue. So what I'll do guys, okay, we're going to go ahead and we will remove the screws. Okay, we have 4 screws that we need to remove. One is out. Okay, now second one, it's you think it's easy, but it's a little bit more complicated than it should be. Second one out. Now working on, okay, we just have 2 more that we need to get on the bottom. And you can see how the vents will come loose guys. Working on the last one now, and that way we'll be able to pre-assemble everything and just plug it in. So this is okay, this is 3rd and 4th screw coming out. I'll pull them out now. Okay, both of the vents come at the same time. Now what we need to do guys, okay, we need to install okay, that moving mechanism on the vent. Okay, so that is going to take just a little bit of effort here to align everything really good. And once we do that, okay, you just push it in, guys, until everything, okay, locks in place. So let me make sure that we have everything going, and we'll just push it in. So we aligned them, guys. I had to use a screwdriver to hold them here and push them in, but eventually I was able to. Then you need to align everything here really good. Okay, all the clips here need to be aligned. Okay, and just close it, guys. Okay, close it until everything snaps together. Okay, you have multiple clips that you need to push in. Okay, and once you push them in, guys, okay, it looks like everything's holding in place now here. Okay, so I think it's good. Let me just grab this piece now. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to align everything here so the screws can come. Okay, perfect. So I would recommend, guys, to even get the whole piece out. Okay, not just the little piece. So that's why it's good, guys, okay, to watch that from the very beginning, guys. So you can, guys, okay, see that it's better to take the whole piece than just the first piece out, because you will need to work on it outside the car, okay, and you don't want to damage your vents here as well. So all we have to do now, okay, we're going to install these 4 screws, okay, the one that we already removed. So we need to get those installed, get them tight. Everything should fit really good after that. Okay, so let me grab the screwdriver quick, see where it went. Okay, perfect. And just tighten those quick. And I'll show you guys how to install it now. Okay, one is tight. Working on the second one now. Perfect. Now number 3. And we just have one more after that. So it's not too complicated, but it's not too easy too. For something so little, guys, usually on most BMWs it's way easier. This one is a little bit more complicated. Now we have 4 clips, guys, that we need to push in. One metal here, one here, one here, and one there. Okay, the 2 on top go right here, and the side ones goes down there. Connect your cigarette lighter. Do not forget to do that, because if you do, guys, okay, your cigarette lighter on the rear will not work, and you will need to remove, okay, that again to reinsert it. So now, okay, I'm aligning everything, and we are ready to go, guys. As you can see, we have brand new vents now. Everything's great. So all we have to do, just shine them up a little bit. You can see that's it, guys. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.